Good day, Jitan learners! Welcome po sa ating week 2 ng Mathematics 10. Our lesson for today is about arithmetic sequence, means, and terms, and series. Objectives. We will illustrate an arithmetic sequence. Then we will solve for the arithmetic means, and terms, and series. Then, hopefully, we can value the importance of arithmetic sequence in our daily lives. Let's proceed to learning task 1. Learning task 1 is just a review of the previous lesson, wherein we have learned how to identify the next term based on the given sequence. Okay. For number 1, what is the next shape? So we have a heart, then a square, 2 hearts and a square, 3 hearts, square, and 4 hearts. So what will be the next shape? If your answer is a square, okay, then you are correct. How about for number 2? So in relation pa din sa ating example number 1, what will be the next shape? Okay, if your answer is a heart, you are correct. If we're going to get the next shape, we will get another 4 hearts. So, total ng 5 hearts kasunod ng huling square sa sequence na meron sa sample number 1. Okay. Ang sequence po natin is nagsimula siya sa isang heart, but after a square, nadadagdagan po yung bilang ng mga hearts. So, from 1, naging 2, naging 3, naging 4, and naging 5 after every square. So, that is the pattern of the given sequence. How about number 3? What is the next number? We have 5, 15, 25, and 35. The next number is 45. So you are correct if you're thinking about number 45. The sequence given at number 3, nagdadagdag tayo ng 10. So we add 10 from the first term. So we got 15. Then 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. And 35 plus 10 equals 45. Number 4. What is the next number? We have 2, 4, 8, and 16. The next number is, okay, if your answer is 32, you are correct. The succeeding term in the given sequence of number 4 is generated by multiplying 2 from the first term. So, from 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. And 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. Let's proceed to number 5. So, what is the next number? We have negative 9, negative 4, 1, 6. If your answer is 11, you are correct. So, this time, we add 5 from the first term. We have negative 9 plus 5, that is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. And 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay. So, if you got all these answers correct, then congratulations! You have understand the lesson last week about getting the next term of the sequence. Sequence has many types. So for this week, we're going to discuss the first type, and we call that arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Okay, we're going to recall the example from 3 and 5, wherein in 3, we have add 10 from the first term until we get 45. Then for number 5, we add 5 from the first term, which is negative 9, until we get the 11. The sequence in number 3 and number 5 were generated by adding 10 and 5 respectively. So we can say that these examples are called arithmetic sequence. The fixed number is called the common difference, which is denoted as small letter d. I have here a sequence which has 1, 4, 7, and 10. In getting the common difference of an arithmetic sequence, we will subtract two consecutive terms. Subtracting the two consecutive terms such as 4 minus 1, 7 minus 4, or 10 minus 7, we can get a difference of 3. And we can say that the common difference is 3. Let us first try this given example below. We will identify if it is arithmetic sequence or not. And for number 1, we have 10, 13, 16, 19. Is this an arithmetic sequence? Okay, this is an arithmetic sequence because it has a common difference of 3. Number 2, we have 2, 6, 18, and 54. Is it an arithmetic sequence or not? Okay. It is not an arithmetic sequence because we cannot find common difference between two consecutive terms. That is 6 minus 2 ay 4. 18 minus 6 is 12. And 54 minus 18 is 36. So, there is no common difference. Kaya hindi siya arithmetic sequence. Then for number 3, we have 57, 49, and 41. That is an arithmetic sequence because it has a common difference of negative 8. Ayan. Now, let's proceed. To find the next term in an arithmetic sequence, we have this formula, which is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 multiply to d. From the previous lesson, we have encountered what we call the general rule of a sequence. So all of those rules are anchored in this formula. Okay. We have this formula kasi let's say we encounter a problem wherein we were asked to find the 1,000th term, yung ika-1,000 term, ano yung value nun. If we only have the idea na we will add, kasi nga arithmetic sequence, so we will add 2 and so on to get all the terms in the sequence. Kung hiningi sa atin na ika-1,000 term na, that will take us time. No? Baka anong oras na tayo matapos nun. So, using this formula, we can easily identify what will be the 1,000th term. Okay. In this formula, the a sub n is the last term, the a sub 1 is the first term, and the n is the number of terms given in the sequence. So, ilan ba yung terms na nasa sequence? That will be your n. Let's try example number 1. Determine the 10th term in the given sequence 4, 6, 8, and 10. We have the given. Ang mga given sa atin ay a sub 1, which is 4. Common difference is 2. So, dahil siya ay arithmetic sequence, kahit na aling 2 consecutive term dyan ang isubtract natin from each other, we will get 2. And then, n, dahil ang hinahanap natin ay pa 10th term. And let's see the solution. Using the formula, a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 multiply to d. Okay, replace lang po natin muna yung mga given. So, ang hinahanap po natin is yung ika-10th term, kaya siya ay a sub 10. Then, we have 4 as a sub 1 plus 10 ang ating n minus 1. Ang ating difference naman ay 2. So, let's proceed with the operation. So, we have a sub 10 is equals to 4 plus 9 times 2. And then, a sub 10 is equals to 4 plus 18. Okay, nakakasunod po. And then, going to add 4 plus 18, we have 22. So, that is the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence, 22. Okay. Kuha po yun. Okay. We will have more of this example later. Let us proceed to learning task 2A. So, again, this is not a required output. I will answer this practice problem. Nag-iwan din ako sa inyo na iba to try. For number 1, we have 2, 5, 8, and 11. So, is it an arithmetic sequence? This is an arithmetic sequence. What is the common difference? The common difference is we have 3. We need to find the next 3 terms. So, ang kasunod po ng 11 ay 11 plus 3 ay 14. Then, 14 plus 3 ay 17. Then, 17 plus 3 ay 20. So, ayan po yung ating answer for number 1. Number 2, we have 2, negative 4, 6, negative, and 10. Ito ay hindi arithmetic sequence. Ayan. Simply because it has no common difference. Ayan. Hindi siya arithmetic sequence. So next, for number 3, we have negative 6, negative 10, negative 40, negative 18. So this is a an arithmetic sequence. The common difference is negative 4. And getting the next 3 terms, we have negative 22, then negative 26, negative 30. So I will let you answer 4, 5, and 6. So, pwede niyo po ito sa practice po at ipa-verify po sa akin, ipa-check sa akin kung tama po yung sagot niyo at ma-assess ang inyong understanding dito sa part na ito na ating lesson. Okay. For learning task 2B, ito naman, sequence, tapos papahanap sa atin yung ika-nth term. Okay, for number 1, we have 2, 4, and 6. Ang pinapahanap sa atin ay 15th term. We're going to use the formula of the arithmetic sequence to find the 15th term. Okay. So, manood po. So, using the formula, a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 multiply to d. Ano yung mga given natin na pwede Let us try number 2. We have 13, 16, 19, and 22. That is an arithmetic sequence. We need to find the 25th term. Again, we will going to use the formula finding the terms in the arithmetic sequence. That is a sub n equals 1 plus n minus 1 multiply to b. Replace the given. Wala tayong a sub n, hinahanap natin ay a sub 25. Ang a sub 1 natin ay 30. Then, ang n natin ay 25. Minus 1. What is the common difference? We have 3. Let us solve. The a sub 25 is equals to 13 plus 25 minus 1 is 24. Multiply sa common difference. A sub 25 is equals to 13 plus 24 times 3. We have 72. So, ang a sub 25 natin is the sum of 13 and 72, which is 85. So, ang ating 25th term ay 85. Ganun lang po siya, ha? Okay. Punta tayo sa number 3. We have 99, 88, 77, and 66. What is the 18th term? Again, we're going to use the formula. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1. A sub 18 ang hinahanap natin. Given, a sub 1 ay 99. Plus, ang n natin ay 18 minus 1. Ang difference natin ay negative 11. Ayan. A sub 18 is equals to 99 plus 17 multiplied by negative 11. A sub 18 is equals to 99 plus 17 times negative 11 is negative 187. Ang ating a sub 18 is equals to 99 plus negative 187. We have